What's up, Airsofters? Call sign Grim here with my first gameplay upload. In this video, I'm playing at Tactical Airsoft in Windsor, Connecticut, and I'm running a G&G CM16 lower with an ARP9 upper. I increased the barrel length to 155 millimeters and R-hopped it to give it some extra range. Tracer unit is an Ace Tech Lighter S and an EMG Guardian suppressor. Hope you all enjoy. Catch you out the end.
No, didn't see the safety screw off your goggles. Okay.
Yo, Red's upstairs.
Red's downstairs.
Okay, go.
Red, coming up. Yep. This one.
Yeah, I killed you, fucking John. Sorry, John.
Move. Don't stay here. Get out of here. Come this way.
Get it.
Woo! What the fuck was that?
And that's going to do it for this one. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Catch you in the next one.